Yo, what's up, guys? Jack here from Homeowner Hacks. Well, I wanted to let everyone know I started a new YouTube channel. This Homeowner Hacks YouTube channel, put a few videos on it, but they didn't get a ton of hits. And I posted one video on crypto mining, and there was a couple people who were interested, but still, it didn't really get a lot of hits. So I ended up making a new YouTube channel, and that's called Modern Mining. And this is basically my adventure into GPU mining and crypto mining, basically how to achieve some sort of passive income if you're relatively tech savvy and if you're not afraid to get into cryptocurrency. Personally, I think mining is a safer way to invest in cryptocurrency than actually just purchasing the coins themselves, because the hardware acts somewhat as a hedge. If that interests you at all, I'll have a link down to my new channel, Modern Mining, down below. It's already at like 1,500 subscribers, and we're closing in on getting to be YouTube partners. Just need a couple more watch hours to roll in. So this Homeowner Hacks channel, it's got like 5,000 subscribers, but the vast majority of those are from the Yuga One days, if anyone remembers that. It's been about 15 years since that channel was up and running. So most of you guys probably don't care about this at all, but if you are interested in learning more about crypto mining and generating some sort of passive income, check out the new channel below. I'd love to see you guys there. It's growing super fast, and I know a lot of you guys kind of have nostalgia towards the Yuga One day, so if you want to follow along the continued YouTube journey, we took a quick 15-year hiatus, but we're back now, so I'll leave that link down below, and hope you guys have a great rest of the day. See you next time.